Auto Expo 2023. It's a crowded place. It shows that India has got lot many people. It's a very populated country, but it's very enjoyable experience being here.
ऑटो एक्सपो की शुरुआत 2007 में हुई. So 2023's Auto Expo is the 16th one. One needs to buy the ticket and go through the security check. It's a crowded place for auto enthusiasts and it is organized for 5 to 6 days every year. There are halls and stalls by automobile companies showcasing the new cars. Let's go and find out more about the cars, especially the upcoming ones. So guys, I am at Kia Pavilion where Kia has unveiled KA4, is the 4th generation Carnival with multiple sitting layout, and it looks like SUV with angular design. This KA4 is much longer than the earlier one and offers 7, 9 and 11 sitting configuration. Kia also showcased EV9 concept and it also showcased Karens in 2 models for emergency services, and Kia also showed KV6 and their ongoing models of Kia Seltos in metallic graphite color. Sonet were also showcased here. People were eagerly waiting to see the facelift of Kia Seltos, but there is some more time to wait for it. Meanwhile, Kia has geared up for Sonet launch in May or June of 2023. Keep checking my blog for more information. See you. Bye-bye.